Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do. I got from Lowe's, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so these are the items I picked up from Lowe's on Sunday, November 3rd. So, like the last video from Home Depot, I did show this Kobalt 13-in-1 screwdriver. This has double drive. It is part number 0525791. I will leave a link to VCG Construction up here. He did a live stream earlier today about, looking at one of these, and he was looking at a bunch of other stuff at Lowe's. We'll also take all these out of the packages. I also want to do another shout out for Tool Review Zone. Clint over there had, I believe it was this one he did a video on recently, which was the Dewlat 6-piece rapid load holder with secure set system by Dewlat. It's impact ready, comes with 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, and the holder, it is part number DW2507. I think Clint he's been doing a bunch of videos about bits and magnetic bits, bit holders, swivel bit extensions, stuff like that. And swivel bit extensions. No, they would be 1/4-inch shank swivel end bit adapters. My bad. This allows you to add bits, whatever bit style you want in here, and then at the tip it's got a magnetic end. This one right here is also I picked up because Vince from VGG Construction had spoke about this specific set a while back. I think it was like 7 or 8 months ago, maybe more. But this kit, my Lowe's had this kit and they just got it. They said that they only got it like 2 days ago. So Vince seems to get a lot of things on the East Coast a lot quicker than we do. Some things I've seen that we didn't get for 3 or 4 years, but back east they got them 3 or 4 years earlier. So this kit right here is part number DWA-DND5. Dog Whiskey Alpha, Dog Northern Dog 5. And this one is, just to recap, it is Dog Whiskey 2507. So let's cut these open and take a look at them closer. This kit right here has 1/4-inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. And this is the kit that you can literally take it comes in a nice clear case with a little belt clip, which is cute. It's a nice little case. Open it up. And this is the style where the magnetic piece separates from the actual heads. So you can actually take these apart. There you go. They're very shallow though. That's the one thing that Vince was talking about. They're very shallow. But you can literally pop these off and clean the magnet. It's a nice little kit, and it wasn't, very expensive. It was only $14, so I figured, well, I'll give it a try. Can't be any worse than all the magnetic ones that I have that I always have to find a way to clean them, which is dang near impossible. I'm going to cut this one open also. It also came with one in it. Slides up and down, so it automatically magnets to the screw. Ah, okay. So it's preloaded. That's neat. So you slide the bit in, and then when you want to eject the bit, you pull the collar down. It's pretty nice. Comes with, looks like a T25. Comes with a square 2. Comes with a T20. Phillips number 2, which was installed in it. And it comes with a slotted 8/10. So that's that one. I'll probably end up putting these in a kit. Usually leave these little plastic pieces in here because it makes the organization a little nicer. Which I don't have to, but and this kit looks similar to these guys. The stackable tough cases. I'm sure you can't actually attach it to this. You might be able to, actually. I don't know. No, it doesn't look like you can. It's neat though. But and then this little guy right here. To the side. And we're gonna pop this one off. It's gonna be like that. Okay. And this one I believe has a bunch of bits in it because it says a 13-in-1. Yeah, this handle's kind of taped up, so. Oh, that's nice. Check that out. Also looks like it has an oh yeah, it does have has a magnetic extension. That's pretty nice. It's a very nice little kit. Fits in the bottom really well. See. Oh. Okay, it's got a short shank shaft on it. I do like how fine this one is. It's a little sticky right there. It kind of gets a little hard and sticky. Might have to take the collar off, take it apart, and make sure it's lubed properly. Or yeah, it's a little sticky. Right there. Catches. But, you know, I went through like 6 or 7 of them, and I picked the best one I could, so if I have an issue with it, it's got a lifetime warranty. You can always take it back and get another one. But compared to the older style Kobalt that I have, you can tell this one's coarse tooth, and this one's sticking on the forward position. And this one also swivels. But I don't think Kobalt makes this style anymore. I would love to see this Kobalt style come back, but with a fine tooth like this one. But that's just me. And then just to look at the other 2 items that I picked up, just because this Husky, that one to the side, and this Milwaukee. So I picked up 3 different bit ratcheting drivers up today. I picked this Kobalt up one because Vince was talking about it, and I like double drives. Double drives come in handy when you're doing this. So if you hold it at the end, use it like a screwdriver, it acts like a regular ratcheting driver. And then if you hold it right here on the collar, you can use the double drive. So that's nice. The Husky is nice. Both of these, this Kobalt 13-in-1 and this Husky, I think it was a 9-in-1 or 12. This Husky was a 12-in-1. They're both pretty heavy. This one feels like maybe 1.5 pounds, maybe a little less. This one feels like maybe, oh, I wouldn't say 1 pound. Oh no, yeah, about 16 ounces. Maybe these are a little more than 1 pound. They might be 1.5 pounds, and this one might be 1 pound or so. I can always do a video later on and weigh them. And then this little Milwaukee. The Milwaukee's nice. See, the Husky has a deeper pocket. It's not too bad. Will it fit a regular short bit? Oh yeah. Fits the short bits pretty nice. It makes the short bits nice and compact on the Husky. Because the Husky doesn't have this long shank. It's got a short shank. So this Husky will fit the short 1-inch bits, and it locks them in, as well as the mediums. You know, I think this is like a 1.5-inch bit. Fits that one nice, which came off the Milwaukee. And it also fits these double-sided bits. So it's really nice. And then if you had, you know, your extra long bits like these guys right here, I'm sure it will fit these as well. Pull one of them out. Yep. Fits these just fine. This tip doesn't seem magnetic, but it does come with a magnetic tip in it for the Kobalt. So you can use any size bit you want in any of these. They all fit nice and well. I was worried that the Husky would not fit the short bits. I was worried that the short bits would be too short, but they're nice. I like the short bits. I also like you just slide the collar down and it unlocks. I'm sure the Milwaukee would fit the short bits too, yeah. Just quite a bit shorter. So, all in all, I paid at Lowe's, I think it was $30. Home Depot was $40. It might have been vice versa. I out the door, everything that I bought, it was $70 out the door, even. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And oh, I've been using this quite frequently for the last week or so. These are the other bit driver that I picked up. Gear wrench. These have been working out really well. They're quite dirty. I've been using this T-handle style one the most. So I will do a comparison between this new double drive Kobalt, the Husky, the short Milwaukee, these gear wrenches, the older Kobalt and the over here, as well as compare it against this older Snap-on. And when I have time, I'll do comparisons with them, and we'll see how they hold up. So thank you guys for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.